Okay, everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're just going to be talking about this winter storm Blair that came raging through the Midwest. I got all my wood tarped up out there now, and you can see I tried to cover it up. Those piles are taller than they look. I had to get on a ladder to do that. It's about 8 feet up there. It's over my head. So I went out and I got on a ladder and I covered that up the best I could so I could have some nice dry burning wood for my customers if they end up calling in the next week or so. And I spent over 18 hours out of the last 24 hours preparing for this thing, bringing dry wood in and putting it in the garage and tarping everything up and covering up my car. So we're doing a little time lapse right here, by the way, is what we're starting off with. This is just as it started snowing a minute ago, and this is about an hour into the snow. And we got a couple inches. The grass is still coming through, and then coming up, we'll take a look at it here. And after about 3 hours or so, and it really comes down heavy, and it would have been great. They were saying we could have got up to 20 inches, but I was a little disappointed with the 6 or 7. That's what she said that we got, but. We got a bunch of freezing rain and crap right in the middle of it in the evening, so we had a layer of ice and sleet in the middle, which makes it really hard to shovel, just kind of a pain in the butt. So here it is now when it's really coming down. We got about 4 inches on the ground, and I'm going to have to go out and start blowing this off and cleaning it up soon. That's what we're going to look at. So check the video out. Make sure you like and subscribe to the video. And watch some darn videos. You know, be there or be square when the videos come out. As I said on my X account, if you're not there, what they mean by that is be there or be square. If you're not around, then you must be square. Get it? Because like you're not around, you didn't make it to the video. But so be there or be square. And now we got a good 7 inches on the ground here now. And I'm going to go outside. This is the next day, actually. Sorry, I don't mean to be all over. This is the next day after it was all done. And then coming up here in this next scene, you're going to see me during the snowstorm. I went out and I tried to start blowing some of that off. I blew about 6 inches of snow off of that and got it down and tried to clear a path and everything so it would melt faster and I would have a path before there. I didn't know if we were going to get 20 or 7. So here we go. Mavi, you want some food? You want some food, Mavi? You want some food?